Okay, special day today. We are going to Woodland Falls, and the people in the neighborhood called it Baogo. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but anyways, it's a small waterfall in a small village. There's people that live on this mountain in these like hut style houses. And when I was there before, I told them I'm gonna bring them some lechons. So we made it to Woodland. I have the lechon right here. We're gonna go meet the friends that I met last time and bring them lunch. Hello. How are you?
Where you go? You come back?
Yes, please, like come back. How are you guys?
Fine.
We're fine.
Hello.
Tata. How are you?
Okay.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
Hi. Remember me?
Nag-interview ni dadig ma'am.
Ah, there we go.
Asa sa dapit ninyo, ma'am?
Okay, guys.
Talamban.
Talamban?
Oh, pero mo ato pa magug ko sa IT Park.
Humanan.
Sometimes in life, sharing a meal with people says more than any profound words you could tell someone that you're with. It's just spending that time together that creates a bond. And we never know how long or how short we're going to be here. But if you have a chance to brighten someone's day, to surprise them, take advantage of that. Give them that gift and don't expect anything in return. I met these folks just by chance last time I was in this area. They were so kind and open-minded to meet me. I just wanted to come back and see them again. And this is a memory that we share forever.
So, I met these guys last time I was here, and I told them I would bring them lunch. So I surprised them with lunch today. And more importantly, it's so great to see you guys again.
Yes. Thank you for the foods. We are full. Thank you so much.
And thank you for the friendship.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.
So when you come to Woodland, but you guys said this area is called Bago. Bago.
Baogo.
Baogo.
Baogo. If you look on GPS, it's Woodland Falls. But when you come here, you know that it is Baogo.
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 Baogo Street.
Yes. So we just ate. Now we're gonna go for a swim, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll catch you guys at the swimming hole in the waterfall. Yeah.
Hey?
Taking a walk through the jungle to the falls.
No wild animals.
No wild animals. Only crocodiles. Crocodile and what else?
Small snake.
Small snake and squirrel. Slowly. Good?
Yeah.
Balance, focus. This is like your Tai Chi you wanted to do. It's okay because we have a good tour guide. Right, buddy? Check out these steps. Very lovely.
Slowly. Kaya ra, ma'am?
Ah, and this is the rest stop, huh? Resting area, picnic area.
Oh, we're almost here.
Woo! The key is short steps. Oh! Wow! Okay, guys, I'm gonna keep the camera rolling. We gotta get the reveal on this one.
You downside? You go downside?
Woo!
Careful.
Amazing!
Careful.
Do you see this? Wow! Ho-ho! Unbelievable! Very nice. The walk down the steep hill was worth it. Do you see this? Wow! Okay, so look, we found this beautiful waterfall. I didn't even know that it was this big. So we're here, amazing, great day. I'm gonna jump in. Hopefully it's deep enough.
Kabaya siya lang ngayon.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, I gotta show you so you see what I'm seeing, okay? I want you here with me. Oh my goodness. Should we go in? Yes. Wow. Now this is living. Amazing. I'm gonna keep saying it. I didn't even know this place existed last year. Thank you for rocking with me. Hope you enjoy. Peace. Lovely, lovely day. Lovely, lovely friends. I hope you enjoy. It gets no better. So now we say goodbye to the village. Thank you, everyone. See you next time.
Let's get the party started right about now. I got love.